The rolling habitation celebrated as fine design, cozy soul is a compelling piece of evidence that design excellence and deep emotional solace are completely compatible goals. Even when working within the most minimal structural confines, this exceptional tiny house on wheels successfully redefines what small-scale living can be, offering a retreat where every sophisticated aesthetic decision has been purposefully made to nourish the spirit, flawlessly translating the Danish ideal of Hygge into a truly mobile, contemporary sanctuary. The entire architectural effort is a delicate exercise in perfect equilibrium, presenting a space that is visually uncluttered and elegantly finished, yet simultaneously overflowing with comforting textures, organic warmth, and an inviting sense of domestic fulfillment. This dwelling functions as a powerful declaration of intentional living, decisively proving that one can reduce their physical possessions while substantially enhancing the richness and comfort of their environment. The profound sense of cozy soul that defines this home originates in the expert command over illumination, organic materials, and a hushed color palette. The interior spaces are continuously drenched in a soft, generous flood of natural light, which is artfully directed through expansive, uncluttered windows that not only brighten the area, but also secure a constant, calming visual thread to the outer world, a foundational component of the Hygge philosophy. The dominant aesthetic foundation favors a soothing range of natural neutrals, typically incorporating gentle creams, muted grays resembling slate, and the inherent glow of light, finished timber. This pristine visual framework is then elevated and given its essential, tactile Hygge dimension through the strategic layering of luxurious, high-caliber fabrics. Indispensable elements include sumptuous wool blankets, soft linen cushions, and hand-loomed rugs, which collaboratively transform the home's clean, precise lines into a highly appealing multi-sensory experience. The resulting atmosphere is one of effortless, profound quietude, where every corner seems to be a deliberate invitation to linger, decompress, and find deep, restorative physical and mental comfort. The hallmark of fine design is emphatically revealed in the home's highly intelligent, unyielding functionality which fully sustains a comprehensive modern lifestyle. This structure makes no compromises whatsoever on the vital necessities for a high quality of daily existence. Essential zones like the kitchen and bathing areas, which often present the greatest design challenges in microhomes, are finished to an unwavering premium standard, featuring high-end fixtures and cleverly integrated configurations that comfortably allow for serious cooking, entertaining, personal care, and domestic maintenance without any typical small space curtailments. Managing the need for storage is a feat of design ingenuity bordering on the invisible, with solutions seamlessly recessed or custom-fitted directly into the structure's shell, thereby guaranteeing the maintenance of the home's smooth, uncluttered visual continuity and its expansive feeling. The cleverly formulated layout, which frequently integrates smart, convertible zones, a cozy focal point like a small stove, or an elegantly constructed staircase leading to a light-filled sleeping loft, demonstrates a superior grasp of utilizing spatial dynamics. This total commitment to uniting streamlined, sophisticated aesthetics with supreme, nurturing comfort is the defining characteristic that truly distinguishes this mobile tiny house, establishing it as a rare and impressive example of portable architecture dedicated to enduring contentment. The transportable residence, affectionately known as fine design, cozy soul, serves as powerful documentation that superior aesthetic achievement and profound emotional security are entirely achievable partners, even when constrained to the smallest possible building envelope. This truly remarkable home on wheels effectively redefines the potential of small-scale living, creating an intimate sanctuary where every deliberate, sophisticated choice is geared toward nurturing the occupant's spirit, flawlessly translating the Danish concept of Hygge into a genuinely mobile, contemporary refuge. The entire structural execution is a finely tuned demonstration of perfect harmony, yielding an interior that is visually sparse and exquisitely detailed, yet simultaneously rich with inviting textures, organic warmth, and an irresistible sense of domestic fulfillment. This dwelling acts as a profound statement on purposeful habitation, definitively proving that individuals can reduce their material possessions while dramatically elevating the richness and inherent comfort of their daily environment. The profound feeling of cozy soul that envelops this home is rooted in the expert utilization of light, the deliberate choice of natural materials, and a thoughtfully restrained color scheme. The living areas are consistently drenched in a soft, abundant wash of daylight, which is artfully guided through expansive, minimally framed windows that not only brilliantly illuminate the interior but also establish a continuous, calming visual dialogue with the world outside, a fundamental pillar of the Hygge philosophy. The overarching aesthetic is grounded in a soothing spectrum of natural neutrals, typically incorporating gentle, creamy tones, subtle, stone-like grays, and the inviting radiance of exposed, lightly treated wood. This pristine visual setting is then elevated and given its essential,